Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setup for today, the US 30. Okay, so what can we say? We have had a close above the triangle, and then we've come back onto it. Pretty much concerning factor is that daily bar. You can see there, gapped above it, and then closed well into the previous, the Friday's bar. Now, that is a very bearish pattern, that. Okay, and then we've got this inside bar here as well. This trend line is still very much intact, and and the fact that we've closed below these highs here, I think I'm a little bit cautious right now on the Dow. Sorry, let's just get back to consolidated view that we can see. So I'm a little bit cautious on the Dow. We are sort of on the trend line at the moment, and there's many ways to see Monday's fall, but that was a fairly big fall as well. But again, this thing falls 1, 2, 3% and then gains 3-4%. So you can't really read much into it at the moment because of the volatility we've got in the markets right now. But these two levels, the fact that we're defending this level again, and I suppose again we defended it there, and now we're defending it again at the moment, and that is 30,000. So 30,000, as I said yesterday, is a key level, and it's a key psychological level as well. So you would expect it to be tested a couple of times, and you can see how often we've been testing this area. You can see that was the first test, second, third, fourth, fifth test at the moment. This is critical to see this hold, and the only way that it's going to excite me at the moment is you come to the 1 hour. So you can see how we are kind of defending 30,000 at the moment, but for me, I want to see us get above 30,084. So strategy still stays the same as yesterday. I want us above there and testing that area. That'll give me the confidence that 30,000 has been successfully defended, and we can get in on the market. Okay, so for now, it's sit on hands. These tails here does indicate we've got buyers coming in at this level, which would be expected. A break above 30,000 and a retest would be a pretty decent entry point. But the problem with that is that the bears know that as well. So they're going to be looking for any excuse to drive it down, because you're going to have a ton of stop losses sitting right here. And obviously, if the bears can push it into the zone, it's going to start triggering stop losses. So it'll trigger selling, and you'll get a bigger squirt further down. So that's kind of the game that's going on at the moment. So I prefer to just take the confirmation, especially at a big level like this, and the confirmation is going to be a break above 30,084. Okay, so there's nothing really else I can add to the Dow at the moment. If you look at the 15-minute, you can see what we're trying to achieve here. If you wanted to, you could come and pick some of these fractals here. So you're looking for a break and retest of that on the 15 for a short target of 30,084, and then look for the break above there before adding the bulk of your position up there. But for me, I'm watching this on the hour, and we'll wait and see what transpires here. Okay, just bear in mind there's a lot of noise brewing at the moment. There's stimulus noise, there's virus noise, there's vaccine noise, there's lockdown noise, there's just so much going on at the moment. So something is going to give shortly, and we should start moving in a direction fairly soon. I'm still of the opinion we're moving up. The trend is up. It's just a little bit messy at the moment, and we need to clear the 30,000 level before we can continue to the upside. Okay, so that's it for me today. I hope it helps, and we will catch up with you later. Cheers for now.